So the Gucci and Palace collaboration has just been announced, and I can't lie, I'm very excited to look at these items. Gucci has been collaborating with a lot of brands over the past couple of years. From brands like Disney, we had the North Face collaboration. I think they did a collaboration with Xbox as well. About a couple of months ago, we got the Adidas collaboration, and now they're collaborating with Palace. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to go over the items and give my opinion on obviously all the items, and yeah, let's get into this. Okay, cool. I believe these are all of the Gucci Palace items that we're going to get. Obviously, it says 1 out of 70 up here, so yeah, a fair amount of items. But without further ado, let's take a look. So first one, we got the Gucci jacket, leather jacket. Looks alright, nothing that I would wear. Obviously, you got the Gucci and Palace down the sleeves, decent. You got the tigers there, decent. I'm not gonna say it's, you know, crazy. This looks alright. I can't lie, it looks alright. Yeah, decent. As if they made a fucking bike as well. Like, I just know this is gonna be mad expensive as well. Can I zoom in? No, I can't. But yeah, this is gonna be mad expensive. I don't know how this relates to Gucci or Palace, but you know, fair enough. A safe, I can't lie, yeah, this safe looks fucking bad boy. Like the way it's got the Gucci and Palace like in between the pattern, heavy. Yeah, like yeah, this is probably a pretty penny also. An umbrella, flex and a half, I'm not even joking. That is yeah, that is a nice umbrella. Okay, what is that umbrella? No, that is a straight up no. Cheese. Obviously, if you know Gucci, Gucci sort of made the belt popular, and for them to do a Palace belt, I rate that. That belt's okay. I don't really like that camo. Maybe if they done like a yellow camo, fair enough, or like just a different sort of camo. Decent. Shout out to my ladies and that. Fair enough, but I don't really like the headphone little pocket thing. Like, I think they're just so overrated in my opinion, but you know, decent. A little pouch. I wish they didn't have this camo on there. Maybe just the normal Gucci print, but I respect it. Like this, okay, this is what I can get behind. I don't see why they had to include the Gucci print right there. Why don't they just take that little bit out and then just have the Palace P there? But still decent. Wallet, I rate. To be fair, you're gonna need a hefty wallet to even buy any of this stuff. So you know, decent. Yet again, the camo, I'm not really feeling. Decent. Okay, I like that blue. I can't lie, that blue looks heavy. A little, I rate that as well. I can't even lie. The little Palace triangle with the Palace and Gucci with the Palace P there. You know, you can't hate on that. Yeah. Again, the blue. A little purse, decent, I suppose. That blue is actually very nice. I can't lie. Oh my days, this bag goes dummy hard. I'm not even joking. That is sick. That is actually sick. I wouldn't never wear it because obviously it's a female's bag, but you know, I can respect it. Not really my sort of thing. Like, I don't like that shiny sort of material, but you know, respect it. A little, it's not a duffel bag, but resembles a duffel bag. I rate it. Okay, another staple item in Gucci's catalogue. Obviously, Gucci sort of, they didn't invent the sliders, but they made it popular. And for them to do a Palace Gucci slider, these are going to sell like crazy. I'm not even joking. These are going to sell like hotcakes. Yeah, beautiful. Just a quick one. Do yourself a favour and subscribe. I've got a lot of videos talking about clothing and obviously designer brands. So yeah, subscribe and let's get back into this. So what are my thoughts about this collaboration? Nah, I'm not a big fan. I can't lie. Too much going on. Like, yeah, the Gucci and Palace pattern all over with the bottom. Nah, it is a no from me, mate. Better. These are better than the other shoes. I still wouldn't wear them, but I respect them. Decent. I do like these type of shoes. I'm not sure if they're called boat shoes or not, but yeah, I like the little Palace thing there as well. That goes hard. Yeah, bad boy, absolutely bad boy. Yeah, I rate that. The camo needs to go, mate. Okay, decent. I can see the little crease on this as well. So, these look like they're going to crease a lot, but, each to their own. Okay, the hat. If they did the hat like color, this sort of color, maybe this football top. I don't hate it. I won't wear it though. I won't wear it. No, like this is what I don't like about Gucci. They just do some dumb stuff. Like what the hell is this? Like a tomato sort of hat. Like and I'm not sure if this is glitter or not, but yeah, that is a big up no. No. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. This is gonna do well. I already know this is gonna do well. Yeah, it's gonna do well. This one right here, bad boy. Yeah, all of the hats are gonna do nicely. This hat, nice. Okay, okay. I see the little pattern along there with the hat. Yeah, decent. I'm not sure if it's gonna do crazy well, but yeah, that is still a flex. A little Scottish kilt, I think, or skirt. No. This I reckon that's gonna do well for all my models out there, and that gonna do well. Okay, okay. This sort of style is like getting popular with all obviously the females and that. So I reckon this is gonna do very well as well. Okay, yeah. The actual fit. Okay, okay. Yeah, decent. Obviously with the shoes and that. Um, I don't know what I think about these. Obviously the females have got the glitter there. They've got the flary sort of bottoms on with the Gucci print. Yeah, I have no words. I cannot judge this. Fair enough. These are obviously the men's ones. Decent, decent. We've already seen the bag, the belt, and trousers. This jacket. No, it's a no from me. I don't like this little bit along the pockets and along the hood. The dragon with the palace. Too many colours, too many, and I don't like the green. It's not. No, it's not it. Nope, it's not it. I don't like these little bits around the collar and that. And dog, okay, fair enough. No. Hang on a second, yeah. How haven't we got a skateboard yet? What? Bruv, Palace and like Palace is called Palace and Skateboards, and we haven't got a skateboard. That is very underwhelming. But apart from like that, the collaboration is looking alright. Especially the accessories and the bags and that and the shoes. Yeah. No, this t-shirt looks small as fuck as well. That is such a cool combination of like the logos. Yeah, I rate that. I actually rate that. Yeah, I rate the black one as well. This like a football slash like goalie t-shirt. Fair enough. A vest. Yeah, this vest goes hard. Shout out my yardie man. No, like what does fruit have to do with any of this? Yes, this is what I like to see. This is what I like to see. Yeah, gas. Yes, gas. Yes, with the triferg with the Gucci print in it. Gas. Yep, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Oh my days, these jeans are looking saucy. I can't lie. I rate these jeans. That jumper, that is a no, mate. That bag, okay. This bag looks alright still. That actually looks sick. Yeah, we've seen already all of that. Tracky bottoms, obviously to go with that football top or whatever. Decent. That bag, that bag is gonna sell like shit. I'm not even joking. That bag is sick. No, like this whole outfit is a no. Apart from the jeans and maybe the shoes, but no. Wait. Okay, I'm not being funny yet, but no one's gonna wear their jeans like this, yeah, because these jeans are probably gonna cost like 1.5 grand anyway, yeah. You're not gonna be treading on like the ground with these on, like you're not doing that. These jeans are sick. I'm not even joking. Like the way the 50% the pattern and then 50% denim. Yeah, I am here for that. I'm definitely here for that. This looks sick. I'm not even joking. This actually looks hard. I do like the dragon concept on this shirt and the weird sort of like material separation here. Yeah, and also the flannel print. Yeah, I rate that fully. This is such typical Gucci. I'm not even joking. In terms of Gucci's fan base and like people that would wear this is hard, but for me, this is not hard. So I can appreciate it, but yeah, this isn't a bit of me. No, mate, no. I don't care who you are. Yeah, if you're stepping out in this, yeah, no. No. I can appreciate this, I suppose, but it's not my thing. No. And that is going to be it. As an all-round summary of the collaboration, it's alright. I wouldn't say it's the best collaboration, but definitely got some solid pieces. I'm actually annoyed that they didn't do a skateboard like Palace Skateboards and Gucci, and they didn't do a skateboard like Shameful. I do believe the bags and the accessories and all of that sort of stuff definitely topped the clothes. But ranking this collaboration in comparison to other Gucci collaborations, this is definitely up there. I'd say it beats out the Disney collaboration easily. It beats out the North Face collaborations. Although we have 3 North Face collaborations, it still beats out them. I'd say this is on par with the Adidas collaboration. Maybe, I don't want to say it was better, because in the Adidas collaboration, there was a lot of good items as well. So yeah, I'd say just about on par. But yeah, overall, a hard-hitting collaboration, and yeah, I am definitely here for it. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and most importantly subscribe, and until next time, I'm out.